Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're addressing an important topic, Islamophobia. What is it? Why does it exist? And how can we challenge misconceptions with truth? Let's break it down together. Islamophobia refers to the fear, prejudice, or hatred against Islam and Muslims. It often comes from misunderstandings and false narratives spread by media or ignorance. But what is the reality of Islam? Let's explore. The truth is, Islam teaches peace. The word Islam itself comes from salam, meaning peace. The Quran says, "Whoever kills a soul, it is as if he has slain mankind entirely." Quran 5:32. Myth 2. Muslims oppress women. Islam values women greatly. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who are best to their women." Muslim women have rights to education, property, and dignity, granted over 1400 years ago. Myth 3. Muslims don't contribute to society. Muslims have made countless contributions to science, medicine, and art throughout history. Figures like Ibn Sina, Avicenna, and Al-Khwarizmi revolutionized fields like medicine and mathematics. Islamophobia creates fear, divides communities, and leads to discrimination. It affects real people, our neighbors, friends, and colleagues. Islam teaches justice, compassion, and standing against all forms of oppression. So how can we combat Islamophobia? First, educate yourself and others. Learn the true teachings of Islam from authentic sources. Second, speak up. Challenge harmful narratives when you see them. Third, engage with Muslims. Attend community events, visit mosques, and build friendships. It's time to replace fear with understanding, division with unity. Islam is a faith of peace, love, and justice. Share this message, educate yourself, and let's stand together against all forms of hatred. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos spreading the truth about Islam. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.